you want to know which companies took a trip down Earnings Avenue on Thursday?
Maybe you'd like to find out which audio company is blowing out their speakers with a buyout offer.
Bet you'd like to find out all the high-five stocks that are being clobbered by short sellers.
If so, stay tuned to Locatestock TV to find out all the big names behind these headlines and so much more.
You won't want to miss what's coming up next. The hottest news team on the web with today's business headlines.
Hello everyone out there in Locate Land, and happy Friday! Though better than expected profit news continued on Thursday, stocks were not as voluptuous yesterday as they were the day before.
But the Dow swept past its latest milestone Wednesday, posting its 17th rise of the past 19 trading sessions. And so far, 21 of the 30 Dow components have reported earnings, with 15 of those reports exceeding expectations.
The Dow rose 15.5 points to settle above 13,100. Meanwhile, broader stock indicators finished mixed. The Nasdaq closed higher by 6.5 points, while the S&P 500 index gave up 1.
And if you haven't had enough of earnings news this week, then here's a few more to close out the week with. After Thursday's market close, the Dow component Microsoft released first quarter results.
The tech leader reported earnings of 49 cents a share for its fiscal third quarter, topping analyst forecast. Quarterly revenue of $14.4 billion also outstripped estimates. After rising only 11 cents intraday, shares of Microsoft jumped about 3% in aftermarket trading after the company announced results.
Meanwhile, another Dow component, ExxonMobil, also released better than expected earnings on Thursday. The oil giant kicked off 2007 with a 10% rise in profits, which was its best first quarter ever. The world's largest publicly traded oil company said it earned $9.3 billion in the January-March period, beating Wall Street expectations.
Apple said its fiscal second quarter profit rose 88% amid robust sales of iPods and Mac computers. Not bad for a company that is on hold until June for the iPhone, Maria. At times, Apple stock surpassed $100 a share on Thursday to settle at $98.84 after gaining $3.50.
The diversified tech company 3M reported a profit gain that was higher than street estimates on Thursday. As a result, the share volume of 3M more than tripled on the Nasdaq yesterday.
That's about all the news on the earnings block today. But don't disappear on us just yet. After this short break, we'll tell you which companies are computing and receiving hefty buyout offers.
Good morning to all my investors, specialists, traders, and clerks. And a special hello to Ralph Giorgio and all the boys at Tradition Financial. I'm Maria Pastori, and I think it's time for me to sneak off again to somewhere sunny because this weather is the pits. As you saw in your morning commute into work today, it's rainy again out there, folks. And that's pretty much how it's going to be for the rest of the day. But at last, it's Friday, so let's try and suck it up, okay? Expect light rain throughout the morning with temperatures climbing to 62 degrees. It should remain breezy and rainy for most of the day, with temperatures holding steady around 64 degrees. You should finally be able to hang up your raincoats by 10 p.m. Unless, of course, you're home before that. But it's Friday, guys. Who wants to be home before 10 on a Friday? As for the weekend, expect warmer temperatures with less rain and a lot more sun. Thanks for joining me for your local weather forecast today. I'll see you up next in the Locate Stock Newsroom for a look at this Friday's business news headlines with my co-host, Victoria Brenker.